to the place where the laughter flows.
Hello, brilliant Brainy Bubbles. Welcome back to Brainy Bubbles Academy, where learning is happy, easy, and fun, like bubbles. Today, we are going to play with numbers and time. Yes, time. Are you excited? If you are excited, clap your hands. Great. Let's begin. What are seconds? Brainy Bubbles, listen carefully. A second is a very short time. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. Wow, that was fast, right? That is how seconds work. After seconds, next is minutes. What are minutes? Now, listen. 60 seconds make 1 minute. That means when we count 1 to 60, we have 1 minute. Let's say it together. 60 seconds equals 1 minute. Great job. Now, let's solve a fun problem together. If you are asked, how many minutes is a 6-second video played in 50 places? Don't worry. We will go slowly. Step 1. Count all the seconds. First, we ask, how many seconds do we have in total? The video is 6 seconds long, played in 50 places, so we multiply. 6 seconds times 50 places. Let's count together using easy numbers. 6 times 10 equals 60. So 6 times 50 equals 300. So we have 300 seconds. Over to step 2, change seconds to minutes. Now remember our magic rule. 60 seconds make 1 minute. So we divide 300 divided by 60 equals 5. Final and answer. The video is 5 minutes long. Yay! You did it, Brainy Bubble. Let's try more together. I will help you. Here is another question. If a 10 seconds video is played 6 times, how many minutes long is the video? Let's solve it. Step 1. 10 times 6 equals 60 seconds. Step 2. 60 seconds equals 1 minute. Answer, 1 minute. So the answer is 1 minute. How simple is that? Here is another question. If a 5-second song is played 12 times, how many minutes long is the video? We start with, first, we calculate the total duration of the video in seconds by multiplying the length of a single song by the number of times it is played. Total seconds equals song during time number of plays. That is, 5 seconds times 12 equals 60 seconds. Step 2. Convert total seconds to minutes. Next, convert the total duration from seconds to minutes, knowing that there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. If 60 seconds is 1 minute, the answer is 1 minute. Here is another question. If a 15-second cartoon is played 4 times, how many minutes long is the cartoon? We start with step 1. 15 times 4 equals 60 seconds. Step 2. 60 seconds equals 1 minute. Answer, 1 minute. Here is our last question. Let's think. A 20-second video is played 3 times? How many minutes long is the video? Step 20 times 3 equals 60 seconds. Step 2. 60 seconds equal 1 minute. Our answer is 1 minute. Wow, so smart. Brainy Bubbles, you are doing so well. Math is not scary. Math is fun. Math is friendly. Every time you try, your brain grows stronger. And I am so proud of you. That's all for today, my lovely Brainy Bubbles. In our next lesson, we will learn how to change seconds into more minutes, more fun, more smiles, more learning. Until then, keep counting, keep smiling, and keep bubbling with joy. Bye-bye from Brainy Bubbles Academy. See you in our next lesson.
Goodbye! See you in our next lesson!